Bathroom mirrors plays an important role in every bathroom. They are essential for checking out one's appearance, applying makeup or shaving. However, its importance goes beyond that. It can do so much more than just showing you a reflection of your look. It enhances the bathroom as adds style, light, and it usually provides additional storage space for your cosmetics and medicine to heighten your overall bathroom utility. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. On this video, I am going to show you modern bathroom mirror design. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. There are various types of bathroom mirror available in different styles, size, colors and shapes based on your preference and bathroom interior. From round square, oval, rectangular, transparent to antique frame, there are a wide variety of mirrors to choose from. To further delve on different types of bathroom mirror options and general bathroom ideas, you can consider the following. Finding the right shape for your bathroom mirror is a huge contributing factor that will massively affect the overall style of your bathroom. Having a long mirror helps to the overall look of bathroom as it stretches out the eye along its length. On the other hand, with a round mirror you can add a touch of softness to your bathroom as it blends seamlessly without disrupting its existing flow. We can all agree that room corners make mirrors look awkward. But the good news is a folded corner mirror can turn these awkward looking corners into a custom vanity mirror. This type of mirror is the perfect mirror for those who does not have much space in their bathroom. Its design can enhance the overall vibe for your bathroom, which utilizing these awkward room corners into something more wonderful. Folded corner mirrors are also ideal for people who want to have a beautiful corner wall design. Most people are already familiar with the flat type and conventional household mirror, but there is another common type of mirror that has a concave and convex structure. This type of mirror has a surface that is curving away from all direction. Convex mirror comes with a curved surface that bends the light it reflects and focuses its focal point at the center. This type of mirror reflects a small images which provides more space for more images to fit compared with normal mirrors. The other kind of folded corner mirrors is the concave mirror, which is the opposite of the convex mirror. This type of mirror bends the light it reflects inward and toward the image. As a result, it produces a large view of images that provide a magnification for an enlarged version of an object that you want to observe. Concave mirrors are ideal to be used as a dental or makeup mirrors. Double sinks call for double mirrors, so if your bathroom consists two sinks, it is the best to pair it up with an angular double mirror to bring symmetry and balance to your bathroom. This type of mirror also provides an extra space in between for extra lighting and add design for your bathroom interior. A bathroom vanity mirror is usually placed above the bathroom sink and are particularly used for applying makeup, checking one's appearance, fixing one's hairs, or basically anything that helps you to look presentable. We might not realize, but this piece of home decor is actually used a lot of time in our days. It is important to choose a vanity mirror that goes well with the decoration and style for your bathroom. Moreover, you can also incorporate some accessories or mirror frame that pairs up with your vanity mirror. You should choose a color that matches well with the overall color scheme of your bathroom. For instance, a white vanity mirror can be a great option since this type of color blends well with every color. A traditional wood frame mirror gives off a rural rustic vibe on any bathroom. This type of mirror are framed with a variety of different wood and color selection. It is important to choose the perfect design depending on your preference and the overall interior of your bathroom. If you wish to bring a sophistication to your bathroom mirror, then a brushed metal wall mirror may be the best bathroom mirror for you. This type of mirror has a contemporary design which complements with various design and styles. The beauty of this type of mirror is how brushed metal matches with the mirror glass, creating a modern and urban design to your bathroom, while providing you with an accurate reflection of yourself. You should be particular with the size of your bathroom mirror. If you choose a mirror that is too small, your bathroom mirror might look misplaced and disappear on its own. But if you happen to choose an overall huge one, you might end up creating an unintended focal point in your bathroom. We may not always realize, but choosing a certain type of mirror in relation to your bathroom can make or break your overall bathroom design. With the variety of different types of mirror, you can get creative and explore with various options of bathroom mirror design, shapes, style, finishes, and color to incorporate in your bathroom interior. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.